Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Jennifer's body iconic outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to remove everything except for the hair. Oh, I just removed it. Well, it's fine because you don't need adjustments on this one. You just need this long hair and color it in all black. Then the bangs, this one in all black too. Then I went and used this one. These are the adjustments for it. Y.43, Z.55. Rotate the X at 0.63, the Z at 0.51, and the scale is the same. It looks weird from the back, but we're just going to ignore that. We are going to be using some VIP items, but you can replace it with some non-VIP items. Select this jacket from codes and select this pattern, and then for the second one select just a gray color, and then for the third one select this color 742C49 and then gray. For the pants we're just going to use these jeans in this color 55587F and just like a gray for the button. Then we're going to toggle it to the low rise. Then we're going to use these heels and this color here, D75076 for all of it. And then I also use the heart earrings here, the heart hoops, in I think this color too. And that's it. Super simple. You can add like the chains if you'd like to, but I like it without, because you do have to like use a belt for it. So I just opted without it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. I'm losing my voice. Comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!